Yo, what is going on? So this is AMP Futures review. Is it the best trading platform? So it has ultra cheap commissions and super low margins, excellent 24-hour customer service, huge selection of 50 plus trading platforms including free options like Kantower and TradingView, multiple data feeds including CQG, Rhythmic and Teton. Competitive pricing with a promise to match or beat and written commission code. But it has some weaknesses like limited product portfolio covering only futures and options on futures, no mobile or web versions for the flagship multicards.net platform, only desktop app. Wire withdrawal fees are quite high. Some users may find the desktop platform and research tools geared more towards experiencing traders, potentially limiting accessibility for beginners. To compare it to other brokers, according to Broker Chooser, AMP Futures received 4.2 out of 5 rating based on analytics, a 600 plus criteria and testing via opening a live account. In terms of futures market, AMP Futures offers 10 markets while NinjaTrader offers 7 and Optimus Futures over 14. AMP Futures has more extensive selection of base currencies 10 compared to NinjaTrader 4 and Optimus Futures 1. Yeah. So to conclude, while AMP Futures has its strengths such as competitive pricing and excellent customer service, it may not be the best trading platform for every trader. The limited product portfolio, the lack of mobile web versions for the flagship platforms might be the drawback for some users, especially beginners. So it's the best for experienced traders. And also ultimately whether AMP Futures is the best trading platform depends on the individual trader and needs and preferences. It really depends on what you need exactly. So if the cons don't fit you, you might find some alternatives, and that is it.